Nyinga en George Bati. Ogai mar Azimio Raila Odinga okoni oikore mar bedo lemo mar bedo jakom mar riwruok mar pinje Afrika AU. Odinga ma oloso kod ute mag fwambo e pare makare Nairobi e kinde limbe mare kod jatend kata kinde limbe mar jatend lo machon mar piny Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo owacho ni en kod loch mar kochiel kod lony mar tayo Afrika e lemo no mane omaki kod Musa Faki. Odinga bende olero ni lemo no ok nyal miyo odhi nyime kod siasa ma pachoka.
Not too long ago, I was here with the President of the Republic, President Ruto, and Raila. And we went to Mombasa. We went to Mombasa, and the outcome of that exercise was 5 each from the two parties to form a committee. And I understand that committee have done impressive work.
I have served the AU in the capacity as infrastructure high representative. That position gave me a good advantage to be able to learn about each and every African continent, country, what they have, the comparative advantages, and so on. And I believe that working together with all these countries, we can be able to emancipate Africa. I'm inclined to accept the challenge. Should the leadership of Africa want my services, I am ready and offer myself to be of service to this continent.
Kawasuri nyakora Ramogi ni jambetre mar piny Ingereza pacho ka Luiga